Hey guys, welcome back. So I went to Dollarama today. I had to go and do the Easter shopping for the boys and picked up some crafting stuff while I was there. I'm going to make a separate video for the Easter stuff, but I actually found some new items, or at least new to me. So I don't know if anybody else had seen them yet or not. So let me get into it and I will show you what I got. So I've seen people hauling these already, the little bows, and I got the purple polka dot and then just the plain purple. I found some little butterfly picks in the purple. And these all were $1.25. I found these stickers, and I had actually never seen them before, the little eyeballs together. I thought they were so cute. They were $1.25. I found these in the Easter section. I thought they were really nice. They're the foam stickers, and I just really liked the eggs. I don't know. They had other ones there, but I really liked the egg ones. So, and these were $1.25 as well. Some more Easter stickers. These are like foilish kind, and they're more, I don't know, there was just something about them. I kind of liked them, so I went ahead and got them, and it's a big huge sheet of them. I think it's only one sheet, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like one sheet. Some more Easter stickers that I found. These are textured stickers, actually. These were $1.25 each. And I just thought they were so cute. They had a bunch of different styles there, but I only got these two. I picked up some paper clips. I'm going to try my hand at altering paper clips. So there's 200 in here, and they were $1.25. Oh, no. Okay, I take that back. I got three of the Easter stickers. That was the third one. And the rest in here is all new stuff. Okay, so the first thing I found, now I've seen paper clips like in the pack like this before, but I had never seen, hope you can see that, the people. So it comes in a pack of 10, and these are $1, and I just thought they were really cute, so I picked it up. The next new thing I found were these mini craft shapes, and they're very shiny, very, very shiny. There was a pack of butterflies and a pack of flowers, so I took one of each. They are $1.25 each. They also had, which I did not get any of, they had stars and hearts that were not shiny, but they were kind of along the same lines as this. The next new things that I found were these 30 mini fabric flowers. They were $1.50 each. They had a variety of colors, but I just liked this one, and I liked, of course, the purple. So I just picked up these. They had all pink, they had all yellow, and I think they had one all white as well. The next things I found were these S binders. Don't know what I'm going to use them for. But they were $1.50 each. And there's two in the pack, and they just open up on both sides, and you can clip whatever you want in there. And I thought they were super cute, super small. Thought they'd be useful for something. I don't know what, but something. And then the last new thing that I saw there were these craft paper bags. There's 6 in the package. They're $2. They are pretty thick. Let's see if we can go ahead and open these. Though they're very glossy, very slippery smooth on there. They're pretty thick, and you just hopefully open them up here. There we go. And that's what they look like. So they're pretty sturdy. They feel pretty good. But yeah, they were $2. They had a bunch of different colors. Of course, I only picked up the purple. But hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to grab more of them if they're still there. But that is it for my crafting haul today. You know, some new things. So I was excited about that. And yeah. I will be back to record a Easter video. And then I have my Easter candy video, which, yeah, that one was a little more expensive than I thought it was going to be. So, yeah, I will be back with that. And I hope you enjoyed this. And look forward to seeing you in my next video. So, bye.